Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back this Thursday evening, or as I like to call it, the eve of Friday. It's been a dreary one out there today, but good news, we are going to see sunshine as we finish out the week and start the weekend, and it's going to be on the chilly side as well. Pretty chilly, wind chilly tomorrow morning, and then maybe a little bit frosty tomorrow night into Saturday morning. More of that in just a bit. First off, though, as we take a look at the big picture across the lower 48, the big weather system in the lower 48 on top of the cold air is this weather system that's moving across the Gulf Coast. We have partially an upper level low that's been moving through Texas into the Gulf of Mexico, and another upper level disturbance that's coming in from the north. This is all going to turn into a powerful low pressure system, especially off the east coast of the United States. We'll show you that model data coming up tonight at 10, but hurricane force wind gusts offshore the east coast with this storm down the line. Locally, it's just been producing on and off mostly light rain showers. They're most concentrated across central Louisiana, including the northern parishes of Acadiana, where we're seeing just not only light rain, but some moderate rain as well. So it's a rainy night as we get into northern portions of Acadiana. Elsewhere, we're seeing a few pockets of misty drizzles out there, but overall, the trend is for this to gradually weaken as the evening wears on, and then the showers are dissipating. The clouds try to clear out by tomorrow morning, and it's going to be a breezy and cool start to the day. Temperatures in the 30s, wind chills in the lower 30s tomorrow morning. Breezy and cool throughout our Friday, but lots of sunshine. Temperatures get into the upper 50s. Pretty stiff north wind at about 10 to 15 for a good part of the day. That wind diminishes tomorrow night, and with clear skies, it's going to be frosty. Temperatures approaching the freezing mark not only tonight across Cenla, but low to mid 30s again tomorrow night across all of Acadiana, and that should allow a frost to form for Saturday morning. Sunny and seasonably cool Saturday. Temperatures still topping out in the 50s, but that's still 10 to 15 degrees below normal. But we'll be trending back to near normal as we go into next week. Cool weekend, though, on tap. Here are the lows for tonight. Low to mid 30s as we clear out Alexandria and Bunkie, probably about 3 in the morning. So it gets coldest up here, but enough of a wind, I think, that keeps any frost from forming. We'll have to wait and see on that. But it's a good idea to cover the plants tonight, tomorrow night, and you may have to do it for Saturday night as well. Mid to upper 30s in Lafayette with wind chills in the low to mid 30s. And then as we get down along the coast, we'll see temperatures in the upper 30s to near 40 and wind chills close to the mid 30s in the morning. So bundle on up as you're sending the kids off to school or heading out early in the morning as well. For yourself, temperatures upper 50s tomorrow. Tomorrow night, that's when I think we get down close to freezing. Anywhere in the lighter shade of blue, that's where we could see frost as winds diminish. We'll still be a little bit of a wind chill also Saturday morning, and then warming back up into the upper 50s Saturday afternoon, but less wind means it will feel a little bit milder. Looks even better for Sunday with temperatures getting into the lower 60s for those of you who are looking for slightly warmer temperatures. So this is the way it looks for tomorrow. Wind chills tomorrow morning, and it's going to be a breezy and seasonably cool day. We'll top out near 58 and fair skies tomorrow night. And as we go down the road, as we mentioned, Sunday looking good. Might see a frost Sunday morning. It depends on the cloud cover, but I haven't blued in that number for that reason at this point. And then as we go into next week, we see temperatures back into the 70s by Tuesday or Wednesday, even the mid to upper 70s toward the end of the week until the next significant front gets here next Friday night. That's the timing we have right now, which will set up for another cool weekend next weekend and maybe a little rain on Saturday. But overall, we've been on a pretty good roll of dry weekends, so at least you can get yard work done. And guess what? After all the wind lately, there's a lot of leaves out there that need to be raked.
All right. Thanks, Rob.